Why is everybody not here? So hot. What you gonna do now? I know the solution.
Ice cream delivery. Ice cream, sir.
Thank you for the delivery.
Welcome, sir.
Ice cream.
Init ng ulo, init ng panahon. Huwag mag-alala, tara na sa Windstream. Panalo sa saya, buo ang tropa. Kaya order na ng Windstream.